My name is Catherine, and if you're new to our channel, this is the Kanata Education channel. And for today's episode, this is going to be a new one. It's a pilot episode of our new destinations. If you guys are not yet aware, we have Kanata Prime Education, which caters to students who are looking for non-traditional destination. And for today's episode, we have Miss Maria Papa of I IBAT College. So we will be discussing in depth about Ireland, about what can you expect in Ireland, and of course the benefits of an international student in Ireland, and I IBAT College, which is a very good option for students na naghahanap ng affordable tuition fees and of course yung magandang program, and that can lead you to a permanent residency in Ireland. So ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, we have Miss Maria Papa of I IBAT College, Dublin.
Thank you so much, Kat. I'm so happy to be here. And this is actually my first time doing this with Kanata Prime Education. And of course, I would like to say hello to everyone and thank you so much for watching us. I hope you're going to stay until the end because I promise you we're going to give you a lot of information on how to become an international student to Ireland, of course, through I IBAT College Dublin.
Yes. So, huwag na tayo magpatumpik-tumpik pa, di ba,
Correct.
Ms. Maria? Let's talk about Ireland. Kasi syempre, a lot of people are not yet aware that Ireland is accepting international students or open sila for international students. So, ano bang meron sa Ireland?
Yeah, that's correct. So they've been open actually for a long time. Di lang masyadong proactive into the market. And it's not as popular as the traditional study destination that we always cater in the Philippines. But number one reason why you should study in Ireland as an international student is after the UK exit as part of the European Union, they are the only English-speaking country now in Europe. So wala tayong masyadong magiging problem when it comes to communication, barrier with the language, and so on and so forth. Meron din kayong magiging eligibility when it comes to working rights, okay? So you can work in Ireland as an international student.
How many hours?
20 hours
20
per week during your study. And then you can work full-time during your term break or semestral break. And the good thing is you only need to go to class per week 3 times. So that's per week. And apart from that, of course, tinitingnan din natin, okay, after graduation, magkakaroon ba ako ng eligibility to apply for a post-study work permit, which is very important. Yung parang stay back.
Yeah.
Hindi naman din tayo nag-invest into this kind of pathway na parang, okay, after the study, then
Uwi na tayo
kaagad because that's it. Wala na tayong other opportunity pa sa country. So the good news is, ang Ireland ay may eligibility din for post-study work permit. It depends on the program level na i-apply ninyo sa Ireland. So per level tayo sa program. So for example, you apply for a bachelor in Ireland. That's a level 8, the Bachelor Arts Honors. So that will give you 1 year post-study work permit in a level 8 NFQ. And if you're going to study masters in Ireland, that's NFQ level 9, that will give you 2 years post-study work permit. Okay? So ang third question, pwede bang isama ang dependent natin? Because I know we are into really tight, na bonding sa ating mga family. So we always want to be together, like most of the time.
Yeah.
So yes, you can. Pwedeng dalhin ang spouse, ang children sa Ireland, but not on the time of the study.
Yeah.
So yun lang yung slight difference niya sa other country because in other country, of course, pwede nang sabay-sabay tayo. So ang Ireland, ang system nila, it is designed for you to be ready. So ready in the sense na you come as an international student, mag-settle kayo, establish nyo yung sarili ninyo, and then pagka-graduate ninyo, then that's the time that you can bring your family, your spouse, and your children in Ireland. But the good news, kapag nadala nyo na ang spouse ninyo sa Ireland, this is the latest update then automatic working visa na sila kagad. Okay? So stamp 1G visa ang tawag dyan sa Ireland. And your children, starting 6 years old, not more than 18 years old, can study for free din sa mga public institutions. So, it gives all the benefits, right?
So,
and yung pinaka-lagi naman din natin na main goal is the permanent permanent residency. Meron din bang eligibility sa Ireland towards permanent residency after the process? Yes, meron din po. Depende rin yan sa work permit na makukuha ninyo, and they are basing it on the work experience.
I see. Okay, so yung mga nabanggit ni Miss Maria na mga benefits, usually yun din naman talaga yung benefits ng yung traditional destinations natin,
True.
like in Canada, in Australia, and New Zealand. So, to familiarize yourself, kung ano yung benefits na makukuha nyo with the traditional countries, yun din yung meron sa Ireland. Baka kasi yung iba iniisip, ay, mahirap kasing makapasok dyan, or hindi
Totoo.
nila inaalaw yung kagaya ng mga benefits na nakukuha nila sa ibang bansa.
Mm-mm.
Now, let us talk about iisa-isahin natin yung mga benefits, no? Let's talk about the country itself.
Correct.
Ano ba yung pwede nilang i-expect once they land in Ireland? Sobrang lamig din ba? Kagaya ng sa Canada, very friendly ba yung mga tao?
True. So, something I can tell you why Ireland, again, is a very good option, for a destination for an international student. Because number one, ang Ireland is the second richest country in Europe in terms of GDP. So, mayamang bansa. And then, they're actually the second safest country in the world then, next to Iceland. So, it's a very safe country. Yung safety natin, that's one of the most important thing na kinoconsider natin. And ang maganda rin po sa Ireland, very rich ang kanilang history, ang culture. Meron din silang
may mga magagandang landscape.
Yes, landscape and so on and so forth. Kumbaga, literally, ang Ireland is green.
Yes.
Kagaya ng flag nila. So, everywhere there's nature, may enjoy ninyo sobra because ang weather natin, of course, 4 seasons din tayo. So, during the springtime and the summertime, that's the best time that you can enjoy nature and go to the park. So, yan yung pwede ninyong ma-enjoy doon. Kung sa pagdating sa Ontario, sa Canada, we're very familiar with Niagara Falls. Ang parang counterpart niyan sa Ireland, it's the Cliffs of Moher. So, napakagandang cliffs niyan. And it's one of the top tourist destination in Ireland. So, pag napanood nyo yung latest movie ngayon ni Lindsay Lohan sa Netflix, it was shoot in the Cliffs of Moher. So, magkakaroon kayo ng idea how it's like. People, they're very friendly then, no? Marami rin silang mga cultural events throughout the year, like yung ating mga Halloween celebration din. But ang pinakasikat, yung pinaka-Ireland Day nila, yung tinatawag na St. Patrick's Day.
St. Patrick's Day.
Ayan.
Correct.
And they were part of the monarchy of Europe. So yung mga castle na dati, napapanood din lang natin, nababasa about the kings and the queens. Yes. Mabibisita nyo na lahat yan.
Yeah. Okay, so you mentioned earlier, may mga nabanggit kang level. Can we discuss this further? Ano yung mga level na yon?
Okay. So, ang level ng education in Ireland, of course, it depends on the program. If you're going to apply for a foundation to a bachelor degree in Ireland, that's NFQ level 6. And then the bachelor's, may dalawa ding category or level. There's bachelor level 7 and a bachelor level 8. Ang bachelor level 8 is the bachelor honors. They call it bachelor honors. With the bachelor honors level 8, I always recommend that, not the bachelor 7, because doon nag-start ang eligibility ng estudyante for post-study sa level 8. So, pag level 8 uli, 1 year ang post-study work permit nila. And then, kung sila ay magmamaster, kung qualified kayo to take a master in Ireland, then pagka-graduate, you'll get NFQ level 9 and that will give you 2 years post-study work permit.
Kasi magkaiba yung level ng sa Philippine education system compared dun sa Irish education system.
So, pagdating sa pag-check ng qualification, meron silang pinagbabasihan. It's called NARIC Ireland Foreign Qualification Assessment. You can search it in Google kung gusto nyong makita. And in the Philippines, we have 28 qualifications. Nandun din, kung ano yung makikita ninyong nakalagay na NFQ level, that's the equivalency ng education in Ireland. So if we're talking about the NFQ entry para sa kanilang foundation or sa level 6, ano ba ang entry requirements? Dapat at least tayo ay graduate dito sa Philippines ng level 5 na qualification.
Level 5 qualification. And yung level 5 qualification, usually, ano yung equivalent nun dito sa atin?
Okay, so equivalent sa atin ng level 5 na NFQ sa Ireland is kailangan at least graduate ka ng K-12.
K-12.
Okay? So, unfortunately, yung old curriculum ng high school, it's not.
Hindi siya.
Yep. And we're talking about the highest level of education. Not because old curriculum ka, or nakapag-college ka,
Yeah.
doon ka tayo magbe-base sa college mo, of course. But if we're talking about undergraduate, dapat naka-K-12 ka.
At least K-12.
Yes. So, K-12
Um,
and yung mga associate graduate dito sa Philippines, yung mga 2
Right.
years na vocational completed with diploma and transcript.
Yan yung level 5
Level 5.
equivalent.
At meron din yung mga NC, yung mga TESDA natin,
TESDA.
but nag-start sa level 4 ng NC.
Level 4.
So, yung level 2 ng NC, like mga caregiving, nursing aid program, short program, is only NC2 ay nasa level 3 and 4 lang yan.
3 and 4 lang.
Yes.
Okay. So, now let us talk about yung sa IBAT. Saan located si IBAT College?
Okay, ang IBAT is located in the Republic of Ireland. Kasi minsan ako-confuse sila, Kat. In my time, during my sessions with other students, palagi silang nako-confuse about Belfast and Dublin. Kasi merong dalawang part ang Ireland.
Yeah.
So, there's the Northern Ireland and there's the Republic of Ireland. The Republic of Ireland, that's the European part.
Yeah.
The Northern Ireland, wherein the capital is Belfast, that's still part of the United Kingdom.
Yeah.
And nandito ang pinakamalaking park sa buong Europe. It's called Phoenix Park. So again, yung nature, importante yun eh. Balanse. That's why ang Ireland din is second din yan sa merong work-life balance in the world.
Yun talaga yung pinopromote nila.
Yes. So meron tayong magandang magiging lifestyle when it comes to having the nature. And at the same time, kung gusto ninyo ng nightlife, walang problema.
Naku, alam
Hindi mawawala yan. Kasi
hindi ka mauubusan.
marami tayong mga pubs, thousands, restaurant. Guinness is in Ireland, by the way. So, marami silang pwedeng gawin. Shopping, if they're into shopping, Europe is like the fashion capitals in the world. Nandito lahat sa Europe. So, and andyan din yan sa Dublin. Now, kung kayo naman ay mahilig din sa mga, again, yung mga like festivals and things like that, maganda kasi malaki ang Filipino community sa city ng Dublin.
Okay.
So, because of that, meron na rin mismo sa mga high street ng Dublin na mga Filipino restaurants. Because malaki nga ang Filipino community. So, there's a demand. Yes. Kailangan mong kumain ng sisig. Gusto mong kumain ng mga na-miss mo.
Lechon.
Yeah,
Lechon kawali. Liempo.
Liempo. So, on those restaurants, pwede mong kainin. Wala kang time magluto. You're working, you're studying, no problem. Now, kung ikaw naman, syempre, alam mo naman, part na ng life din natin ang mga pansit canton. Diba? Yung mga quick meal natin.
Yeah.
Naubos ang baon sa maleta. Walang problema because marami ring grocery ng mga Filipinos.
Okay, so it's good to know na malaki yung Filipino community, hindi matatakot syempre yung mga kababayan natin na mag-move doon. Baka syempre feeling nila alone sila,
Correct.
diba?
Kasi nga, again, this is a new study destination. So, hindi talaga maiwasan na mag-isip na kung baka walang Pinoy.
Correct.
Magugulat kayo because, again, ang laki ng Filipino community sa Ireland.
Now, what about the employability or employment opportunities for our students?
Yes, first importante yan. Kasi syempre, yung trabaho, no? I know na kailangan natin yan. Kaya nga tayo maging international student. Ano bang magiging magandang employment na naghihintay sa atin after having the Irish education, having one of the highest education in the world. So, ang good news po, nasa city ng Dublin, ang mga global businesses headquarters we're talking about the giants here. For example, we have Microsoft here, we have Google, we have Facebook or Meta, we have eBay, Airbnb is here, Amazon is here, and Ryanair, one of the largest airline in Europe. So, kasi nandito, mura. Medyo makukuha ninyo ang ticket ng going to other European countries. And talking about that as well, pwede ba kayong pumunta? Yes, pwede
Diyos
po.
ko, every week, pwedeng mamasyal.
Pwede kayong mamasyal.
Side-side na
Ito nga yung sinasabi ko, Kat. Kasi you will have the green card in Ireland or the temporary resident card, it's called the PPSN. With that green card, that will serve as your multiple entry na to the European countries and coming back and forth to Ireland. O di ba yung social? Hindi na lang kayo mamamasyal sa, let's say kung taga Manila kayo, pumunta kayo ng other
Boracay,
areas or other
Siargao,
region in the Philippines.
Dito,
Social. You're going to London.
Yeah.
I'm going to Scotland. Di ba?
For the weekend.
I'm going to France. Di ba? Social na tayo. So again, I mean, in life, ang pinaka-importante, yung experience.
Of course.
Yun yung nag-empowered sa atin as a person. Doesn't have to be super na marami tayong pera. But if we are rich in experience, then it's kind of similar na din, right?
Yeah.
Na,
And especially if the country is promoting work-life balance.
Correct.
So, you mentioned also earlier, 3 times a week lang ang pasok
Pasok.
ng students. They can work part-time while studying. So, they also have the option to, explore the country. Ang dami mong pwedeng makita and
Totoo.
experience, di ba?
yeah.